I am Narendra. I am studying 4th standard. Today I am going to full lines on my mother. My mother name is Satya Priya. She is a working woman. My mother wake up early in the morning and she prepares delicious food for my family. My mother is my best friend. My mother is my first teacher who taught valuable lesson of life. My mother
சரி தேங்க்யூ சொல்லு.
My mother is very hard-working woman. My mother always advises me to speak truth. My mother takes me to the garden and play with me. I love my mother very much. Loves me a lot. Thank you.
நன்றி. அடுத்ததாக